Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Space PCB puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Andy Gilker from Canada. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to maneuver the lights to match the challenges. Quite difficult to understand now, but I'll explain. There is a switch here, you turn it on. Then there is a switch with difficulty levels 1, 2, 3. Level 1 is green, level 2 is yellow, and level 3 is red. Once you chose the level, let's say it will be level 1 for now, you hit the solution button. It is right here. Yes, you can see the solution here, it is safe. And you will see there are 6 lights here, and they are red, green, and blue, and they are in different spots of the board. The board has 3 solar systems. They have intersections in some spots where each solar system intersect with another. And you have to, next step will be to add the light. And now you can move the light around the solar system to put it in the correct spot. This is the only spot where the light added, so I have to move this red light right here. Now I can add another light, green. I move it here where it is in the solution. Now I add another light. Again, it's red, but when I move it, it moves with the green one. Then I add another light. There is another red, but I don't need so many reds. I have only 2 in the solution. So at this point, I can just move the light to this solar system, rotate it until it reaches this spot. It's a black hole and it burns the planet, burns the light, and it disappears. So while moving the lights, you have to figure out how to put the correct colors of the lights in the correct spots. And then when you match the solution, the door on the back side will open and it will reveal a small secret hidden inside of the puzzle. If you like the Space PCB puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'm gonna turn it off and turn it on again to reset the puzzle. By the way, each time you turn on the puzzle, you have different levels. They are always random. Even if I move the switch from level 1 to level 2, let's see, we have 3 green, 2 blue, 1 red. Now I move the switch to the second, now back to the first. And you can see we have different set of colors, and they are in a different spots of the board. So each time you want to play the puzzle, the solution is different and it is random. So let's turn it off again, turn it on, and try to solve the level 1. First I hit the solution to see which color is supposed to be where. And then I hit the add light. It's blue. I have 2 blue colors, one here, one here. I can probably move this one to this solar system. Now I add another light. I have red. Red's supposed to be here, so I'm gonna be moving it just a little bit for now. We have green and red. So I think that I'm gonna move the red. I have to move the red 1 step again. And now I can move just green since it was on the intersection with another solar system. Let's see, blue. Blue, we have 1 here. And I need 1 more green. Okay, I have to move the blue to this position. Maybe I have to get rid of this red. Let's see. There is 1 more red. We don't need 2 red colors. And I think that I'm gonna put this green color to another solar system. Let's do that. Like so. Okay. Now this solar system is set. We need 2 more green colors and red color. We have red color, but I have to move it in such a way that it will be next to the blue. So I'm gonna put them here. These are correct. Now we need only 2 green lights, but we have another red. I don't need another red light, so I'm gonna move it to the black hole and burn it. Then I move everything back. Green. Oh, green, that's good. Another green. Oh, awesome. I have 2 green lights in a row. That's exactly what I need. I just have to move them in the correct spots. Now the blue and red goes here. This green is not in the correct spot. Okay. To fix it, I have to move them a little bit. How to do that? I think that I'm gonna do it like no, not like this. I'm gonna do it like this. Then I move the green here. And I can, no, again, it's not the correct one since I have to move the red one as well. It will be interesting now. Okay. I think that maybe I'll leave this green. Oh, I just burned the green one in the black hole, but I was lucky enough to get another green. Let's move this one here. Now I move 2 green lights here, and I finally can finish the puzzle. Ta-da! Everything is solved. We have lights playing, and now the door will open, and it opens automatically. And you can find a small surprise hidden inside. It's a small astronaut, it's a lamp. You can remove it, connect it to the USB port right here on the top part of the puzzle. And then you can turn on the astronaut, and the puzzle is finally solved. Now you can remove it. If you hit the off button or the level switch, the door will close. So before that you have to put the astronaut back, or you can just use it for anything you want and don't put it back. Now I just hit the off button and the door will automatically close. Actually, no, it closes when you turn it off and then turn it on again. And that is how you solve this space PCB puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself and maybe try difficulty level 2 or 3, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.